Hello, this assignment is for EDUC 633, and I'm going to be explaining the specific technology that I have chosen for my technology implementation plan. This technology is called keyboardingonline.com, and it is a fantastic keyboarding program for either those that have no idea how to use the keyboard and they're just learning, or those that are looking to actually increase their speed and accuracy. I am already logged in. So again, it's keyboardingonline.com. And if you're looking to buy their products or order and find out pricing, get an estimate, you can by just logging on. I already have made my username and password, so that is why it says log out. Usually it would say log in, but I have already done that. What we are going to focus on is the student application of keyboard mastery on keyboardingonline.com. There are teacher applications, which will be where the teacher can go and set all of the different settings, maybe the words per minute, how many times they do have to type the specific lesson. But we're going to focus on the student application. Now, you can click on it, and I have already done that, so it's on a tab up on the top here. So I'm just going to go there, but when you click on it, it will have you pick a student, which I picked myself, and then type in your username and password. This is what it looks like when you first get on as a student and maybe day one or even the middle of the semester after you have taught them the keyboard. This is going through, and we're on the lessons tab. There are 33 lessons total. There are timed writings, and then there are course that you can customize. There's specific lessons that you can customize, and then there are tests. So tests are great for timed writing quizzes. You'll notice up here it says access code required, 1328 left. I am on a trial run with this because I am just doing some research and whatnot with this. So you start off with 20 minutes. I have gone through and typed a little bit. So every time you begin typing in a lesson, it will knock down this specific time. So you start with 20 minutes, and then that is your trial. Looking at lesson 1, this is learning the home row, which is a great place to start because if you're teaching a group of students that have no idea how to even use a keyboard that is on a computer rather than a mobile device, then this is where you would want to start. Obviously, you want to start with number 1 and work your way down. This program does teach letters, numbers, and punctuation, and it has timed writings and again those custom lessons and then the tests. We're in the lessons tabs. There are games. There are 3 games that are built into this program that students can play and increase their speed and accuracy. There is the leaderboard to see who is the fastest in the class, have a little bit of competition. There is the reports, which will show you the progress report, effort, grade, and then the problem keys. Over here, again, I am logged in as myself. I want to show you what we have inside of each lesson. So each lesson is comprised of different lines, and they start with some drills, and then they maybe get longer drills, and then they may end up doing a timed writing. So I'm going to click on the first one here in lesson 1. This is what it looks like when they click on a specific line inside of the lesson. And it says, it gives them what they are wanting to type. And that arrow at the end again means enter. And the words per minute goal, which the teacher set, is 35 or more. The word per minute minimum is 20. And the errors allowed, 0. Scores saved, which is how many times they have to type it, is 3. All of these buttons up here, this is to go home. This is to find more tips and settings on this line. To maximize the view, it will fill the whole screen, adjust the font and size, and then the accessibility. A main feature I want to go over with Keyboarding Online is the blackout feature. And you may be saying, well, what is that? It is an awesome feature that will help the students learn how to type without looking at what they are typing. Let me explain. So looking up here at AAASSS, as soon as they start typing AAA space SSS space, you'll see that it says timing in progress. This is the blackout feature. Really neat feature that will help students prepare and excel in their typing skills. Again, this is Keyboarding Online, and I hope that you will be able to research this yourself and to see if you would actually be able to use it for a typing class that you teach. Thank you.